I'm gonna bring you over. I'm gonna show you something really cool. I just have to show you this tip. I'm very excited about it. It's actually crazy. So I use 032 or 030, I think it's 032, wire, or 0.8, 0.9. Anyways, when you pull it off the thing, I've never noticed this, and I've literally just saw it on Instagram. I have to give a huge shout out to Fred Flitzefuß. Correct me if I'm wrong. He's from Germany, an incredible metal shaper if you want to follow a dude. Anyways, I saw something he had and it blew my mind, and I'm going to show you right now. So for everyone using MIG wire straight out of the thing, I usually just sit there and I'll go through and bend, you know, sometimes I'll just grab like 4 or 5 and I'll bend them somewhat straight, and I just kind of work with it. Check this out. Put one end in the vise, clamp it down nice and tight. The chuck on my drill is pretty worn out, so it actually doesn't grab the hole or just the wire itself, so I have to fold an end, but that's okay. It takes a second. Take your drill, put it into the chuck, get it so it's nice and tight, and spin it, and you'll start to like feel it, like you can feel it spinning, obviously. So I'll just do a little bit more. That's probably good. Watch this. Look at that. Perfectly straight. Ready to go. Just sit there and dab it in. Absolutely incredible. I'm really excited about that. So now I just do it to all my pieces. I'll never need to go and buy them anymore. Just spend heaps of time doing this, cutting a whole roll of MIG wire up. It's bloody perfect. Anyways, back to regular programming.